Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Webflow for LinkedIn career pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official Webflow website. If you do not have an account, click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the required information to create your Webflow account. Once registered, log in to your Webflow dashboard. On the dashboard, click on the New Project button. Choose a template or start with a blank canvas. After selecting, give your project a name relevant to your LinkedIn career page. Now, click on Create Project to proceed. Once the project is loaded, you will see the Webflow Designer interface. On the left side, find the Pages panel. Click the plus icon to create a new page for your LinkedIn career section. Name this page appropriately, such as Careers or Join Us. In the Designer interface, start designing your page. You can add elements like headings, text blocks, images, and buttons. Customize the layout according to your branding guidelines. Once satisfied, click on the Settings icon in the upper right corner. Here, ensure the page settings are correctly configured for SEO. Set a custom URL slug that reflects the page content. Now, you need to add your LinkedIn integration. Go to the LinkedIn Developer Portal. Log in with your LinkedIn credentials. Create a new LinkedIn application. Fill in the necessary details, such as the application. Under OAuth 2.0 settings, add your Webflow site's URL. Make sure to save changes. Once your application is created, copy the client ID and client secret. Return to your Webflow project settings. Under the Custom Code section, paste the LinkedIn client ID and client secret. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.